is still facing many global healthcare challenges across a wide range of diseases, such as cystic fibrosis, malaria, Parkinson's disease, and cancer. 4 very different diseases that share a common thread. New therapies. New hope. Based on innovative research. And one part of the research and development process is animal research. Today, the promise for new medicines, antibiotics, vaccines and therapies based on animal research is breathtaking. Novartis invests heavily in the research and development of innovative medicines. And for Novartis, acting responsibly and ethically is of paramount importance. For those involved in research with animals, the issue of ethics is especially important. Their work is guided by caring for animals in line with our global animal welfare policy and the 3 R's: reduction, refinement, and replacement. Reduction of the number of animals needed in research through use of technologies such as ultrasonic echo and magnetic resonance imaging. Refinement of research procedures through the introduction of novel biological imaging technologies so that discomfort is minimized and knowledge gain maximized. Replacement of animal research with alternative research methods such as conceptual modeling and non-invasive analysis. Animal-based research continues to lead to treatments that have saved millions of lives, including animal lives. Because animal research is part of the research and development process for discovering animal medicines as well. Healthcare companies are required by law and health authorities to test new procedures or medicines on animals. Yet our long-term goal is to reduce animal research to an absolute minimum. Animals are used in research only after a rigorous review of alternative methodologies. This is the responsible approach, the humane approach, and the right approach. At Novartis, our mission is to discover, develop, and successfully market innovative products, to prevent and cure diseases, to ease suffering, and to enhance the quality of life.